Hello students, we are doing exercise 15.1. Question number 6 is there. A bag contains lemon flavored candies only. Malini takes out one candy without looking into the bag. What is the probability that she takes out an orange flavored candy and a lemon flavored candy? So both part we will do. Exercise 15.1, question number 6. First part is there. They are asking about what is the probability to find an orange flavored candy, because in the given bag, because in the bag they are saying that only lemon flavored candies are there. In the bag only lemon flavored candies are present, so that's why probability for getting an orange flavored candy is a probability that will be 0, because in the bag no orange flavored candy is there, so probability is 0. In the second part, the question is probability of a lemon flavored candy, because all candies in the bag are lemon flavored, so probability for getting a lemon flavored candy, this is equal to 1, because this is the sure event. All candies in the bag are lemon flavored, so it's 100% chances are there that we will get lemon flavored candy. So this is the sure event, probability is 1. Now question number 7. In the question number 7, it is given that in a group of 3 students, the probability of 2 students not having the same birthday is 0.992. What is the probability that the 2 students have the same birthday? So in question number 7, what we have here, we know that probability of happening an event plus probability of not happening, complementary event, not happening of that event is equal to 1. So in the question it's given that probability of, they are saying that 2 students not having the same birthday is 0.992. so we will write here under the not happening complementary 0.992 equal to 1. So we will get probability of happening that event 1 minus 0.992, and it will be 0.008. This will be the probability that the 2 students have the same birthday. Now question number 8. In the question number 8, a bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that the ball drawn is red and not red? 2 cases are there. So they are saying how many total balls are there? 3 red and 5 black. So 3 plus 5 are 8. So a ball is drawn at random. At random means we just put the hand in the bag and we take out without looking any ball from the bag. So first we will write thing given in the question. Number of red ball, number of red ball, number of red ball is equal to 3, and same number of black ball. Number of black balls are 5. So total number of balls, total number of balls in the bag, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 8 balls are there. So now according to these parts, we will find out the probability. First is they are saying probability for the red ball. Probability for the red ball. So probability for red ball is equal to number of red balls in the bag, number of red balls upon total number of balls in the bag. So according to that, number of red balls are 3 and total number of balls are 8. So 3 upon 8 is the probability for red ball. And in the second part, we have to find out probability for not red ball. So for the probability for not a red ball. So probability for not red ball, if we will minus these red balls from 1. So red balls probability is 3 upon 8. If we will minus from 1, we will get the probability of not red ball. So it will be 8 minus 3, 5 upon 8. So 5 upon 8 is the probability that we will not find any red ball. Now question number 9. A box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. One marble is taken out of the box at random. What is the probability that the marble taken out will be red, white and not green? 3 cases are there. So question number 9. First we will check how many total marbles are there. So first we will write the total number of marbles. Total number of marbles in the question. So 5 red plus 8 white plus 4 green marbles. So these are total 17 marbles are there in the box. So in the first part we have to find probability of red marble. So probability of red marble. Probability of red marble will be, because 5 red marbles are there, so number of favorable outcomes are 5 upon total possible outcome. Total marbles are 17. So 5 upon 17 is the probability for red marble. Second part, probability for the white marble. So probability for white marble, we will find this also in the same manner as we did earlier. 8 are the white marbles, so number of favorable outcome 8 out of total possible cases 17. So 8 upon 17 is the probability for white. Third part, they are saying that probability of not green. So probability of not a green marble. Probability of not a green marble. So if we will minus the probability of green marbles from 1, so probability of green marbles are 4 and 17 are total. So 4 upon 17 is the probability for green marbles. If we will minus from 1, then we will get the non-green marbles. So 1 minus 4 upon 17. 4 upon 17 is the probability for getting green marble. We will minus from 1, so we will get probability of getting a non-green marble. So it will be 17 minus 4 upon 17. So it will be 13 upon 17.